Hi developers! In today's video, we'll be exploring how to investigate and fix the JavaScript error in an ASP.NET Core MVC project. I've already created a simple ASP.NET Core MVC C# web application for this demo. Let's press Ctrl F5 to run the project. So this is the web application. It will show the result of 10 plus 20 inside this input. My expectation is that the value will be shown automatically when the page is loaded. But as you can see here, the value is not displayed. Now, before stepping into debugging the web application, I will always investigate the JavaScript error first. To investigate the JavaScript error, we can use the Browser Developer tool. We can press F12 to open the Browser Developer tool. After that, go to the Console tab. From here, you can see all the JavaScript errors. The error here is uncaught reference error. C is not defined at the show value. We can see the line number that caused this error. Let's click on it. Okay, sometimes when we click on the line number at the Console tab, it will show exactly the code that causes the error. But sometimes it will show empty, just like this one. If you check out this line number in your file, you'll not find it. For example, this is line 67. Let's open the file that contains the related code and find the line number 67. As you can see here, there is no line number 67. So what is the correct way of checking this line number? Let's check this out. Go back to the browser and right-click on the page. Then click on View Page Source, or you can press Ctrl U to do so. From here, you can see the full HTML code. This is where you can check the line number. In our example, line 67 contains an error. Let's scroll to line number 67. We found it. This is the code that causes the error. C is used but not defined. Okay, it's bug solving time. Let's define the C before the console log. C is actually A plus B. Now press Ctrl F5 again to run the project. Nice! The value is now displayed in the input box. That's all for today's video. It's just a short sharing. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Before the video ends, let's do a short quiz about JavaScript in ASP.NET Core MVC when the layout.cshtml file contains await RenderSectionAsync scripts. How do you render the script section in a Razor View page? Select an answer from these options. Do you know which is the correct answer? Write your answer in the comments section below. Or check out the pinned comment to find out if you were right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.